Hi guys, welcome to Miracles Library. So in this channel we teach science subjects like chemistry, biology, physics and English. In today's video I will be talking about classification of living things. So before we go into the video, I would love you to smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post a video here on YouTube, you will be notified. So now let's dive into the video. Living things are classified into two broad groups. They are plant kingdom and the animal kingdom. Each kingdom is divided into a series of subgroups called phyla. The singular is what? Phylum. Each phylum is further divided into a series of smaller groups known as classes, orders, families. Genera, which is singular, is what? Genus. And finally the species. That genera, the singular is genus, the singular for phyla is what? Phylum. Hope you're understanding. So in today's video we'll be looking at the plants classification. Then our next video we'll talk about animal classifications. So plants are classified into divisions under the basis of their structural complexity and life cycle. With division. So the major groups in plant kingdom are what? The Schistophyta, the Thallophyta, the Bryophytes, the Pteridophyta, which is what? The pteridophytes, you can still see there, the Spermatophytes or what? Seed plants. Spermatophyta or what? Seed plants. So let's explain them one after the other. Number one is what? Schistophyta. What are Schistophyta? Schistophyta are one-celled and microscopic organisms. They lack definite nucleus and are non-green plants. They possess cell walls without cellulose. They reproduce asexually. They exist singly or in colonies, e.g. the bacteria. So these ones now are the characteristics of what? Schistophyta. Characteristics of Schistophyta. Schistophyta is one-celled, you can see everything there. So number two is Thallophyta. They are mainly the algae and fungi. Anytime you hear about algae and fungi, you know that like we are talking about Thallophyta. So let's explain them. The algae, they exist in filaments or colony. Almost all of the algae are aquatic. Take note. They possess chlorophyll but lack roots, stems and leaves, e.g. the Spirogyra. The fungi, they may exist as one-celled organisms, e.g. the yeast. They also exist as what? Many-celled organisms or filaments called hyphae. They lack chlorophyll and are saprophytic or parasitic. They possess cell wall with cellulose. They reproduce sexually or asexually, e.g. what? Rhizopus, mucor, mushroom, etc. So many cell organisms or filaments are called what? Hyphae. You can see there. Everything is just clear. So once you just hear about algae and fungi, I know that we are talking about the Thallophyta. So now let's go to number three, which is what? The Bryophytes. They are multicellular organisms. They have no true roots, stems and leaves. They have root-like structures called what? Rhizoids. They also have stem-like and leaf-like structures. They have chlorophyll and have no vascular bundles. Bundles or conducting tissues. Liverworts are found on moist terrestrial areas. Take note. While mosses grow in drier terrestrial areas. Sex organs are found at the tip of the vertical branch in liverworts, while they are formed at the apex of stems in mosses. Example of bryophytes are what? Liverworts and mosses. Example of bryophytes are liverworts and mosses. This is the most important thing here. Just take the meaning of the characteristics of bryophytes and the examples of what? Bryophytes. Examples of bryophytes are what? Liverworts and osmosis. So number 4 is pteridophyta. You can still call it what? The pteridophytes. These are terns and some corn bearing plants like what? Selaginella. They have true roots, stems and leaves. Their conducting system, which is the xylem and the phloem cells or tissues, are well developed. They lack well developed supporting tissues. They do not produce flowers, fruits and seeds. They reproduce with special garments and spores. So this is the pteridophyta. There are terns and some corn bearing plants. You can see everything is just clear and well explained. So let's look at the spermatophyta. Spermatophytes, or what? Seed plants. They are seed producing and vascular plants. They are divided into two. They are what? The gymnosperm and the angiosperm. Take note. Gymnosperm, let's explain it. They are the conifers. They are what? The conifers, like the whispering trees, cycads and pinos. Take note. They are non-flowering and vascular plants with true roots and stems. Their leaves are needle-like in structure. The seed of gymnosperms are naked seed. What? Seed boxes called what? Cones. Take note of that. B. Angiosperm. These are the flowering plants. They are the green and vascular plants whose seeds are gotten from flowers with ovaries and ovules. They have true root stems and leaves. They are made up of what? Dicotyledonous and monocotyledonous plants. The seed of angiosperms are enclosed within the fruit. Example of monocotyledonous plants are what? Rice, maize, grass, bamboo, etc. Example of dicotyledonous plants are what? Mango, beans and hibiscus flower, etc. So when you hear monocotyledonous plants, it means what? Plants with one seed leaf. And once you hear about dicotyledonous, we are talking about plants with more than what? One seed leaf. So that is what this dicotyledonous and monocotyledonous crop plant is talking about. So you can see. So now let's go to the taxonomic classification of a maize plant. What? Taxonomic classification of a maize plant. So you can see it. Taxonomic classification of a maize plant. In the kingdom we have the Plantae. Number 2, division, we have the Tracheophyta. Number 3, the superclass, we have the Spermatophyta. Number 4, we have the class, which is Angiospermae. Number 5 is what? Subclass, Monocotyledon. Number 6 is order, Gramineae. Number 7, family, the same thing, Gramineae. Then number 8 is what? Genus, which is Z. And 9, species, maize. So when you are asked what's the biological name for what? Maize, is what? Z maize. So that's how everything is. In our next class we'll talk about the animal classification. If you learned something from this video, do us a favor by liking, commenting on the videos, and also click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that anytime we post a video here on YouTube, on this channel, you will be notified. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Goodbye.